It's Patrick at Pals, and today we're here with Christina and her Duramax diesel pickup truck. Christina, you came in a couple of years ago and had some work done on the truck, and recently part of the work that we did started leaking, so you brought it back in for warranty repairs. How was your experience on the warranty repairs at Pals?
No, it was excellent. They were very timely. This was a steering box that had started to leak. I think you got a lemon originally. It was a part issue. It wasn't what you did. So Chuck ordered it, and I got it fixed in a couple of days because it took a couple of days to get the material. And Shelly drove me home because I didn't have transportation. And then I got the truck the next day, and it's steering so much better immediately.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. At Pals, we've been in business for 22 years. We give 3 years or $36,000 on most of our repairs for warranty work. And it's really wonderful to hear that when a customer comes in, we take good care of them. We really appreciate you, Christina, and please visit us in the future.
Thank you, and I highly recommend it because it was mostly because of the warranty that I stuck with Pals Auto Repair.
Really appreciate it. See you soon.
Thank you.